Hello everyone. This is midterm week, the end of midterm week. And even though we didn't have a midterm, we're going to do something a little bit differently. We're going to start putting in a total score for your ALEKS-Pi completion. So in your grade book, you're going to see your grade either go up or your grade go down. And it all depends on how well you're doing in the Pi and where you stand at this point. So by the end of week 5, you should be at 195 topics. You should be at a total of 274 points out of 400. So I'm going to base your grade on the 195 topics and where you stand. So for example, say you're at 100 topics and you're not at 195. I'm going to take the 100 topics and I'm going to multiply it times 294 where you should be, and then I'm going to divide it by 195, which is the amount of topics of where you should be at this point, and you will get 141 points out of 274. It doesn't mean that if you're behind, it doesn't mean that you're going to fail the class. It just means that you need to pick up your pace a little bit to make sure that you complete your 285 topics. We like to have them completed by the end of week 10, so then all you have to do in week 11 is study for your final. So for the rest of the weeks, this is where you should be. At the end of week 6, you should be at 215 topics. At the end of week 7, I'm going to grade your base on the fact of 230 topics. Week 8, I'm going to base it on 245 topics. Week 9, 265 topics. Week 10, 285 topics. Is it going to change if you do more topics in week 11? Yes, of course. I'm going to update your grade from this point on. So I'm going to start this week, and every week I'm going to adjust it according to this amount of topics. So at the end of week 6, I'm going to adjust your score according to 215 topics. If you're at 215 topics by the end of week 6, you're going to get full credit and your score is going to be good. Your midterm grade is going to be based off of these amount of topics each week. So you will see your grade constantly change, hopefully for the better. You can check in the announcements also if you want to earn a certain grade. So if you want to earn an A, it will tell you exactly how many topics you should be based on whatever week it is. But I'm going with actually you finishing the whole Pi. So by the end of week 10, week 11, week 10, week 11, you should be at 285 topics to finish the Pi. But again, you could check the announcements to see if there's a certain grade you want to earn. Say you want to earn a B. You can go at the end of week 6 and see where you should be for the amount of topics in order to earn that grade. I hope this is helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email. I'd rather you not do it in the question to ask the instructor a question because it's kind of a private matter. So feel free to email me. Good luck, everybody. Keep working hard.